Hello and welcome back to the channel. Again, I don't normally make these kinds of videos, but I wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to download these Yuja videos on Blackboard when you don't have permission. So normally the instructor either has to allow you to download these videos or you can request to download them. But I'm going to show you how you can download them no matter what. And I'm on Opera GX. But you can have the Chrome Web Store and add this to Opera. It's Stream Recorder. Downloads HLS as MP4, and that's basically what these Yuja videos are. They're pieces of video that are then put together to give you one video. And this will download all those pieces, so you'll have this downloaded. You're going to go to the video that you want to download. And I have my recording here, desktop audio off, because I do not want to play the audio from these. I just need the setting down here. External player right away. And I want to show you this quick, so you're going to go to your extension, Stream Recorder, and when you click it, it's automatically going to detect this, okay? Problem is, you see nothing here right now. You have to have the video start playing, at least a little bit. And now it'll start PSM. Now you can pause the video. It'll be fine. You can still see it loading up there. Keep this tab open. You can delete this. And it'll download all the pieces or index all the video. And I'll come back when this video gets near the end, when it's done, so I can show you to save it. Actually, while it's downloading, I should probably throw this in here, just like a Stream Recorder has here. Not responsible for your downloading and copyright of the videos you may download, okay? So I am using these videos for personal use. I do not plan on distributing them. I do not, plan on making any money from them. These are for pure personal use reasons. Same with my other video on the downloading Blackboard Collaborate videos. Those are for personal use. I feel that I paid for the course. I should be able to keep everything that I want from the course. So these are basically going to stay on my hard drives. I'll come back again when this is almost done. Coming back again to mention that this will download the highest quality that is available for the video. So this one's 1280 by 720. The audio is at 48,000 hertz. You can choose your quality. I just leave it at high. Some of the videos I downloaded previously were the 1920 by 1080. It just depends on how it was recorded and formatted. But you can pretty much, it'll do the highest quality it can get. Alright, it's almost done here. What's really cool about this is you can see the megabytes here of the video and the pieces, right? Now that whole time it was piecing together to get you one video, it has actually been downloading the video for you. So when you click save and put in whatever destination folder you want, you don't have to wait to download it again or download all the pieces or whatever. It has already technically downloaded it, and then you're just putting it where you want it. So it's nice, quick and easy. I guess this kind of depends on your internet, but I like that I don't have to hit save and download the whole thing again. It technically knows and keeps it. Anyway, thank you for watching this somewhat quick tutorial, under 5 minutes. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.